set.
Jahaira.
The knives are sharp too.
Yeah, while my soup cooks. Lentil. The day I made soup, the day is getting closer. Can't wait. Exciting places. Shish kebab. Pinchos. Directly put the water so it can come out tender.
Might work, right?
Poached egg. The water boils. We are going to have our grandkids this week. They're not trouble? She says they're trouble.
Well, they are trouble. Yeah.
Never been. Because we have everything for that.
Oh. Yeah. Take advantage.
Well, I'm going to check on my lentil soup. Oh my God, this is what it is. Yeah. And then I gotta put the, no spring. So, yeah.
Dizzy over there.
That's oh. What's this? Alrighty then.
Put it here.
No.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's over there. Putting in the chorizo.
Name.
Smells delicious.
Is it lit?
Oh, I hear it.
Is it lit? I don't know if it's from there, so let's try. I'm gonna have to say goodbye. One of the YouTubers, he got it from one of his, so please people give me ideas if you want me to